Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to destination for reviewing the best products on the market. Today, we're featuring the best kombucha supplies for home brewers, the Hemlock Home Brewing Kombucha Heating Wrap. Whether you're new to fermentation or a seasoned brewer, this product is a game-changer. Let's dive in. Picture this. It's the middle of winter, and your kombucha fermentation is stalling because your kitchen is just too cold. That's where this heating wrap comes in. Specifically designed by a kombucha brewer for other brewers, this mat fits snugly around standard 1-gallon brewing jars and keeps your SCOBY happy by maintaining a consistent temperature throughout the entire brewing cycle. One of the biggest challenges with fermenting kombucha is maintaining the optimal brewing temperature, generally between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Unlike generic heating pads that are either too hot or too cold, this wrap comes with 3 smartly chosen temperature settings. You don't need to guess or experiment. Just select the setting based on the season or your ambient conditions, and let it do its job. Set it and forget it. Safety is another concern for home brewers. After all, you're dealing with liquids and electricity. Hemlock Home Brewing has addressed that by designing this mat to be safe to use around liquids. You don't have to worry if your brew spills or condensation forms. It's been built with those situations in mind. If you're someone who likes to keep a close eye on your brew's progress, you'll love this next feature. The wrap has been thoughtfully designed so that it doesn't cover your temperature strip. You won't need to remove it just to check if you're in the safe zone. That might sound like a small thing, but it makes a big difference over weeks of fermentation. It's made to stay on throughout the brewing process, all the way from sweet tea to tangy kombucha. You won't need to fiddle with it every few days. That means less fuss, more flavor. From functionality to thoughtful design, the Hemlock Home Brewing Heating Wrap is hands down the best choice for anyone looking to brew kombucha at home with confidence and consistency. It's an affordable, reliable solution that puts you in full control of your fermentation process. If you're serious about brewing, don't overlook the importance of temperature control. A stable brewing environment can be the difference between a flat, unappealing batch and a crisp, tangy, probiotic-rich kombucha. Thanks for watching this episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the best home and kitchen supplies. See you next time.